Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about the Spike Volleyball story, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial that how I found a mod which gave me unlimited golden balls, guys. And I'm going to show you step by step how I did the whole process. So if anyone is interested to do the same as me, you just need to follow this tutorial until the end. You're going to be able to learn the steps. Okay, so all I need to tell you guys that is that this method is working for the both devices, iOS and Android. Today I'm going to show you the steps with my Xiaomi, which is an Android device, but the same steps are working also for the iOS users. Right now I'm recording with my iPhone, so I cannot show you the steps, but if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know in the comments below, guys. I'm going to do a tutorial also for the iOS users with my iPhone. Okay, so the steps, guys, are the same as I mentioned before, so I hope you don't need it. But anyway, if you want me to do the tutorial for the iOS, I'll do it without a problem. I'm just going to open the game immediately, so we don't lose too much time, and so we don't make the video very long, guys. And I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the game. So okay, here we are inside of the game. As you can see, I'm generating so much gold and balls, guys, and I'm going to show you that everything works. For example, we can go here, we can, as you can see, for example, I can downgrade, I can buy, okay, change, and then I can, again, as you can see, I can do whatever I want. For example, okay, we can go to the store. As you can see, we can purchase. Okay, so as you can see, guys, everything works perfectly fine for me, so I'll not make the whole process. So I'm going immediately to show you. As you can see, everything runs perfectly. So right now I'm going to show you that how I found this mod, so and what you have to do. So practically, guys, before you start the loading process of this mod, all you need to do is just need to make sure you're gonna have good connection with internet. So it will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi, and also to have it active your data for mobile, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. Okay, and after you make sure about this step, all you need to do is just to go to internet browser. You can search any kind of, you can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer, and you just need to search about this site, which I'm going to type right now for you, and I will focus it. Okay, here we are. You just need to enter in this website, guys. Just wait a couple of seconds to get connected. All right, here we are. You just need to go search in the searching bar about the name of the game, or put some keywords of the game. For example, here it is. You just need to press in the middle, press the green sign, download it. You just need to wait a couple of seconds, the whole process to finish, sorry. And by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod and get the same amount as me, guys, as you saw it right over here. Okay, so if it happens for any one of you that it will require an extra step in the end of the process, this is because the region where you are located, guys. So if it's going to happen, you just complete what is required, you're going to be able to get the mod same as me. Okay, so this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before we leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.